So what kind of short form videos should you be making for your business? That's what I'm going to answer in this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips about how to make videos that really work for your business. So as I've mentioned in a previous video, short form videos are brilliant for helping you to build that relationship with potential new customers. The best things you can do for them at this stage is answer their questions. Now, you know, day in, day out, you get asked questions about your business, about your products, about your services, about how you do things, about why you're different from your competitors. These are the sort of questions that you can answer one at a time in a short form video. It's really, really important that you do answer them one at a time, because that's going to help those videos be found. It's going to help that content be found by your audience when they really need it. So if you make one video that covers 10 questions that you get asked most frequently by your audience, that isn't going to be as effective as 10 videos that answer each of those questions individually. When you answer those questions individually, you give yourself the opportunity to really optimize those videos. It's really going to help with your SEO and your YouTube optimization. You can drop those videos onto your website, optimize them properly, and that will help your SEO of your website, get more traffic to your website. You can also drop them individually onto social media on the relevant platform for your audience. Remember, all videos, all content should be aimed at your audience. Take them into account first. Not what you want, it's about what they want. You can also send them out to potential clients, maybe in emails or newsletters, or even as a response to a potential sales inquiry. If you make it really easy for a potential client to find the answers they need from you, that's going to help them to trust you. They're going to want to know more about you, they're going to start liking from you, and you know where that leads. Please subscribe so you can get more information on how to make videos for your business that will actually work for you. They'll actually save you time, and they will engage with your audience to bring you more clients. See you soon.